Governor Ajay Kumar Balana Amit Shah unakri. Governor Ajay Kumar Balana ngasi Union Home Minister Amit Shah unaduna Manipur gi tungan isu singi matangda wari sanakri hari. Officer oiba paugi matu ina ngasi Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Balana Union Home Minister Amit Shah ko unaduna Manipur gi housing oiriba phibam gi matangda wari sanakhi. Adubu nakalani gi marakta kari wari sanakhi haibadi officer oiba pau sina phungtokhide. Manipur sahi ama PR gi makhana leiruraba matung saliba thas gi marida Singjame Assembly Constituency gi MLA Y Khemsan bus Minister no wasak lauduna Manipur anauba miyam gi lenga ama leirakhibani anauba lenga sida Kokijo MLA maraktigi Kangpokpi Kendra gi MLA Nemsak Kipken amasung Naga Community gi maraktigi Mau Kendra gi MLA Losi Dikhobu Deputy Minister sing oina wasak lauba goroindana Bisnupur Kendra gi MLA Gobidas Konthawjam amasung Wangoi Kendra gi MLA Kes Loken anibu Minister oina wasak lokibani Koki militant singi thawungbu yaningdaba goloindana Naga gi Mekeidi gi Naga taba mafamda su group yono Koki militant singi designated camp sing thamba yaroi Naga area da Koki militant sing sangba yaroi Naga area da unauthorized oiba mongda lambi semba yaroi haina lengang ta kanbo pham thamlibani mara asida thas ki kunga mathuri Susampur district ki Thalon Kendra gi MLA Bungjagin Balti laikhidaba goloindana Zomi community ko tongan ba district ama pidri pa phawba amadi MLA si laikhidabaga mari lendana NIA na thigatri ba phawba MLA Bungjagin Balti haksang lerol chalui hena imung manung amadi community ki members governor da serol ama piduna takshin malairi bane United States amasum Israel na Iran nongthakgi akan mawongna na dakre Iran US Israeli lanmi gi lefam singda misal amasum drone sizinaduna khut hankre United States amasum Israel na Iran ideksa takhibaga loinana Middle East asoba lanjao ama tholakpa yabagi phibam na leiri Iran Hezbollah amadi Houthi singa samnaduna Iran gi kunung Tel Aviv Kuwait United Arab Emirates Qatar amadi Bahrain da lebi US ki base singda misal kaya manung kapsilakre hari Dubai amadi Abu Dhabi da su ahoba pokhwai bigi makol kya takhibaga loinana misal interceptor gi maset makaina pan bada miwe malekhitre hari matam san ukhanaduna leiruraba matung ngasi US amasum Israel no kusamdanaga Iran gi tuan mafam kunthra romda matam amukta attack sataraki Iranian president gi residence office amade lenga ki marueba office sing yauna marueba mafam kya da attack satarakraba matuna supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei bu Khudong thiba thokloidaba mafam amada hongdohan khi haina spau sna makhatana phungtokli amaramdana leibau hungfuga mari fagana basemba parliamentary group singi marakta India United Kingdom Parliamentary Friendship Group ki member oinaba Manipur gi MP Dr.Angomcha Bimol Akoijam bu Lok Sabha gi speaker Om Bilana nominate torakle hedi
Congress Party now! Congress Party now! Youth Congress now! Youth Congress! Youth Congress! Congress Party! Congress Party! Youth Congress! Youth Congress! Youth Congress!
Your name, please.
Nanwahemgam, President Youth Congress Manipur.
Why is this protest all about?
We team of Youth Congress warriors now in protest against BJP dictatorial rule and illegal arrest of IYC president and other youth leaders. And Youth Congress never ever afraid of this BJP illegal arrest of Youth Congress. No matter how many Youth Congress are arrested, we have uncountable numbers of warriors to fight for justice of unemployed youth, poor farmers, women and children. Will fight for their justice, for their rights, for their democratic values, principles. We are fighting to save our democratic India. We will save our democratic values for the coming generations.
What is your demand at the moment? What are the demands you people want to put to this?
Our protest demands to circulate the message Youth Congress are fearless spirit to fight injustice, Modi, and illegal arrest of Youth Congress, and immediate release of IYC presidents. We, Youth Congress, feel very ashamed of their BJP Morsas Mahila Morsa and BJYM protests against IYC's protests. They never came out for the people of Manipur. Innocent people died. Houses were burned down, but they never came out for justice of innocent people died in this conflict, Manipur. But they came out against IYC.
Thank you, sir.
Uttarakhand say Taragatruk Surabi Mahairu ama angang nupi masam unakre rep ni singnari. Uttarakhand gi Rudra Prayak district masagi say Taragatruk Surabi class 9 gi Mahairu ama angang nupi masama pokri. Rep ki thawong singnabadagi police na Foxo ek ki makhada case ma register tawkibaga loinana hiramadu gi matang na thibi gi thabak sa thabokre. Say Taragatruk kaktangai ribi minor dugi imung manungi miyoy sing pirakpa report ta mark miro le have khankiti hari appendicitis ki nungai tabani haini singna duna district hospital da check-up urubada doctor sing yenglaba matung mark miro le haina khanglakpada imung manungi miyoy sing du ngakibani hari thawdo adugi matung na mark pu Srinagar da liba best hospital refer tawduna ultrasound laraba matung miro le have confirm tawki loinana angang no pi masa ama pokibani hospital gi management committee na child welfare da pau piraba matung Rudra Prayak special adoption agency da kushina khiari Haojik Pawbad Mara Lairaba Miyoy Dugi Matangda Thabuk Lokot Palaitri Mahairu Edunasu Miyoy Amatagi Maming Panba Laitri Adubu Masakhangdaba Miyoy Amagi Matakta Foxo Eki Makhada KSM register Tauri Haina NGO Ama Oiriba One Stop Center Gi Manager Ranjana Gairol na Fongdorakli IMS Gorakhpur Manakta Nagaland Gi Dr. Ebus Tawkiba Ahum Phari Uttar Pradesh ki Gorakhpur Lairiba All India Institute of Medical Science IMS ta resident doctor ama oina thabak tawi Nagaland gi masagi se kuntraga manga surabi amabu inaduna molest tawna bu khonaramba miyo ahum phare thawdo do hokiba nomaizing numik ki numidang wairam na thokibani aduga victim aduna complaint ama file torakpadigi ningthokaba numita khangna rakhibani thawdo adugi matung police team amana Gorakhpur AIMS Satuna Doctor Adugi statement Lokhi Mark Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology the third year